Picture this, Papa Patel, sitting behind the counter of a tiny motel in Nebraska, buying a business nobody else wants. He's not dreaming of flashy growth or headline profits. Instead, he's locked in on one simple idea, how to turn a low-risk gamble into big rewards. But what if you could invest like Papa Patel in stocks? The Dhandho Investor by Mohnish Pabrai dives into this Indian-American betting style, and trust me, it's as much about savvy survival as it is about smart wins. Stick around, this will flip how you think about risk. Let's start with the heart of the Dhandho philosophy, risk and reward balanced like a tightrope walker. How can investing feel like a no-lose bet? This is where Papa Patel's secret sauce shines. Papa Patel ran a modest motel in Nebraska, bought cheaply during a recession when others ran scared. His secret? If business dipped, his losses were small. If demand bounced back, profits exploded. This wasn't luck. It was calculated risk, buying existing, simple businesses that weather storms and thrive in rebounds. Imagine poker, where you fold bad hands but bet big when odds are in your favor. The Dhandho Investor uses this mindset. Heads, I win. Tails, I don't lose that much. It's about stacking the deck subtly, picking investments where the worst-case scenario is still okay, but the upside is massive. When you invest like Papa Patel, your portfolio shifts from a roller coaster to a slow, steady climb. It's not about chasing hot trends, but finding hidden gems with built-in safety nets. The payoff? Steady compounding wealth and peace of mind. Because real investing isn't about wild bets, it's about smart, disciplined ones. Pabrai isn't about diversifying for diversification's sake. No, he prefers less, but with bigger confidence. Let's explore why making fewer, smarter investments trumps endless tinkering. Manilal Patel once bet big on ocean freight services, a gritty industry with razor-thin margins and deep downturns. Sounds risky, yet he understood the value behind distressed assets. By concentrating his bets where he had an edge, he turned seemingly bleak industries into steady cash machines. Pabrai brings in the Kelly formula, a method borrowed from gamblers, to guide how much to wager on each stock. It's like a GPS that tells you the optimal size of your bet based on odds and upside, helping you avoid overbetting and blowing your bankroll, or underbetting and leaving money on the table. Less really is more here. Instead of spreading thin over dozens of stocks, Pabrai suggests a handful of big bets. That's where edge meets attention, and almost magically returns improve. Fewer bets means you can monitor closely and truly understand what you own. Now let's zoom in on where to find these bets. Simple, slow-changing, durable businesses. It might sound dull, but this is the engine fueling Dhandho's outsized returns. Virgin Dhandho means buying businesses so straightforward a child could explain how they work. Coca-Cola bottles? Check. Small neighborhood motels? Check. These businesses don't rely on dazzling tech or marketing tricks. They thrive on steady demand and minimal surprises. The moat, the secret moat, is a durable competitive advantage. Think Middle Patel's steelworks with deeply entrenched cost advantages or brand loyalty. Like a fortress defending its castle, moats protect profits from rivals, making your investment a safer fortress. Pabrai flips the idea of distressed companies on its head. Instead of running away, he leans in buying businesses cheaply in industries others avoid. This approach exploits fear and neglect, transforming what looks like risk into discount prices for fortress-like businesses. Remember Papa Patel's motel in Nebraska? That humble business is more than nostalgia, it's a blueprint. By buying cheap during bad times, betting big when it counts, and sticking to simple, resilient companies, the Dhandho Investor builds wealth with a safety net underneath. Next time you scan stocks, try asking, "What's my downside? What's the moat?" Start there. You'll be surprised where patience and prudence can take you. Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.